Many people think reading a leveling staff is difficult, but if you can read a ruler or a measuring tape, you're already halfway there. A leveling staff is typically divided into 5 sections. The first meter or 100 centimeters is marked in black, the next meter in red, and the patterns continue alternately. This color arrangement improves visibility and makes it easier to identify when the reading moves from 1 meter range to another. When working near overhead power lines or electrical cables, it is recommended to use a fiberglass staff instead of an aluminum staff for safety reasons. In surveying, readings are recorded into 3 decimal places. For example, a staff reading may be recorded as 1.635 meters. Looking through the leveling instrument, you will notice 3 crosshairs: the upper hair, the middle hair, and the lower hair. The staff reading is taken from the middle crosshair. The leveling staff is graduated in millimeters, and each visible block represents 10 millimeters. One interesting feature of the leveling staff is the E pattern. Between every 2 visible E markings, there is an invisible E. Understanding this pattern makes reading the staff much easier and more accurate. Once you understand these basics, reading a leveling staff becomes much simpler than most people think. For example, this reading here would be 0.705 meters. To be sure you understand this, what would this reading be? Yes, that's correct, 1.422 meters. I'm Joshua the designer. See you in my next video. Do not forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to this channel. Bye.